A lot of people are frustrated with Starlink right now, but some of you are unknowingly creating your own bad experience by crossing this little known Starlink limit. Now, not everyone with problems is doing something wrong, because some people are using Starlink at home normally and still getting a worse experience than they expected. But there's one Starlink limit that's important, especially if you're sharing your kit with some other people, or if you're using it as an internet cafe. Starlink says residential and roam packages have a limit of 1,200 concurrent sessions. And that sounds like a lot, but it's not, because one session does not mean one person. A session is one active connection between your device and something on the internet. So your phone could have, WhatsApp running, YouTube open, TikTok loading, Google Photos backing up, and a lot more other things happening. That is one person at many sessions, meaning a normal user can actually use tens of sessions. And a heavy user, one doing gaming, VPNs on and torrenting in the background. Now we're talking hundreds of sessions, one person. And so when Starlink says 1,200 sessions, don't hear it as 1,200 people. And according to Starlink, when you reach this limit, you can start seeing symptoms like slow and unreliable internet when using multiple devices or applications at the same time, both audio and video calls becoming unreliable, apps disconnecting unexpectedly, your online gaming losing connection, and things like that. And so if those complaints sound familiar and you're sharing your kit with many other people, then this could be part of the explanation why. And Starlink says if you regularly reach that limit, then move to priority plans. But priority code dura. So if you're just using Starlink at home, this may never matter. But if you're running a small office, you have your little internet cafe, maybe it's a school, a church, maybe a lodge, or any setup where many people are sharing that connection, then this should all sound familiar, meaning you need to move to priority. But this is where this all gets confusing. The speed test may still look good. You may see 100 megabits per second and think everything is fine. But speed is not the only thing that matters. If too many sessions are open, then newer sessions will kick out older sessions. So one person's app starts working whilst another's WhatsApp call or game quietly drops. And that is why customers can complain even though the speeds look fine. So the lesson is simple. If your Starlink is for home use only, then this may not be your problem. But for the others, you might need to act. Limit users, use proper networking equipment, and even, block heavy abuse like torrents. And understand that speed alone does not tell you how reliable the internet will be.
Every day, millions of moments travel through the air. A call home, a payment made, a lesson learned, a life saved. But behind each moment is something steady, something quiet, unseen, unshaken, powering connection, supporting lives. This is Econet Infraco, Zimbabwe's largest private infrastructure group, comprising towers, power, and real estate. We build and operate the essential systems that hold the country together with scale, certainty, and purpose. We bring together three powerful engines of progress under one roof. Towers that carry the signal, clean energy that keeps it alive, and foundations that hold it all in one place. Because behind every connection, every transaction, every step forward, there's a quiet force. Econet Infraco, built for resilience, designed for growth.